Hey friend, hey, you guys are in for a serious treat because not only do I have the new Icon Box from Ipsy, I also have the Glam Bag, and I also have the Boxycharm by Ipsy Base Box. So before we get into it, do make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your mama, cousin, sister, auntie, everybody, turn on the bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop. And let's go.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me.
I did let you know I have the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I have the Icon Box, which is, the Icon Box is basically the version of the Luxe Box where you get it quarterly, and so this is going to be the summer box. Yeah, this is going to be the summer box. And then I also have the base box. Your girl is just rolling in the thing. So I feel like we should go from smallest to biggest. And we're going to do this quick. It's not going to be no 20-minute video. I am going to tell you if I think the items are worth it or not. But let's see. So first we're going to start with the Glam Bag. And y'all know the bag is my favorite part. And this is definitely giving summer vibes. And the little tag does say Ipsy. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. But summer vibes, what? Definitely can throw this in my purse and use it as a little cosmetics bag. Okay, and this comes with normally 5 sample size items, and I think that's what I have. Okay, so I have the foaming, the Course foaming clean, the Course, Lord, I have the Course foaming clean. Listen, speak English, Brittany. I have the Course foaming clean cleanser, and it's made with Greek yogurt. Oh, and it has pre-probiotics. It does have a scent to it. You know, I love these sample size things just for like when traveling and stuff. Next, we have the Eye Duty, the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Brightening Cream. And I have this in the large size. I got it in a Boxycharm like a while ago. So this is the sample size. And I do like it. So I can go ahead and put it in my travel stuff. Next, I have the Kismet Lip Gloss in the shade Busy. If I can get it open. Y'all know how bad this is for y'all teeth? Y'all, I'm wearing my hoodie today because my niece, she's 14, she told me that when you're having anxiety and you're really not feeling good, to put on your like hoodie, it makes you feel like more secure or something like that. So shout out to my niece Gabby, and I do think that is working. I'm having a day, y'all. But this is the shade Baby by Kismet, and I guess we could go ahead and try her on. I don't have a mirror or anything. Oh, okay, so it's a gloss. It smells like fine. It doesn't have a scent, but I hate the way this looks without a liner. Hold on. This one should work. This is ColourPop and BFF4. Yeah. Much better. Okay, anyway. But I do like this lip gloss. It's not sticky or anything like that, so super cute. Next up, I have the Velvet Skin Cream Blush by Ciate London. Again, this is like a sample size. People have been at my front door all day. Hold on, y'all.
Someone is at the front door.
That was FedEx dropping off a package. We're just going to leave it. They dropped off a package. Yeah, so this is the Ciate London Velvet Skin Cream Blush. I guess we're doing like no makeup since I am kind of like trying this stuff on. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheek. And we're going to see what it's giving. It looks like it's a really pretty color though. Don't you just love a sample size though? This is only my second time ever getting a Glam Bag because I was not previously subscribed to Ipsy. And we're going to see. I mean, that did a little bit. It did a little something, something. I put a little bit more over here. Okay. I look a little rosy. It's cute. It doesn't have a smell. It's cute. I don't know how much this would show up if I had like on foundation. It was on like a full beat or whatever. Next up, we have the Ciate London BFF Brow Friends Forever. Oh, this is for brows. Okay, so this is like a brow gel. Super duper cute. This is like $13.99. Definitely worth it in my opinion. I love these little bags. I'm not kidding, y'all. I'm obsessed with them. So that's what I got in this month's Glam Bag by Ipsy. Next, we're going to move into the Boxycharm by Ipsy and see what we got in here. Oh, and these were sent to me in PR. If you want to subscribe to any of these, either the Icon Box, the Boxycharm by Ipsy Box, the Glam Bag Box, there is going to be an affiliate link down in the description box. Okay, starting off stronger. Y'all know I'm an eyeshadow girly. Y'all know I love curlers. So we have the... Anytime I see an eyeshadow palette, the box is a win for me. We have the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. And y'all know I'm trying to be beachside. Y'all know that is like definitely my vibe. And this is what she looks like. Hopefully nothing falls out because I haven't looked at it yet. Okay, let me move this. So this is what she looks like. Super cute. Super, super summery. Oh yeah, obsessed. Literally, look at those shimmers. Now to be frank, I'm not the biggest fan of their formulas, but those colors, you think I'm not gonna try it out? You think I'm not gonna play around with it? What? Insanity. I love these colors, these shimmers specifically, and I love that the bikini is a nice warm brown. I can definitely use that shade to create a look. What? Obsessed with this. Literally, yeah, that's a winner. The box already won because there's an eyeshadow palette that I like in there. And next up, we have the Beauty Set Universal C Skin Refiner. So this is skincare. And too bad I already put like stuff on my face from the blush and stuff. This is what it looks like. And this is like a brightening cream. Okay, we love a good skincare. We are in our 30s, so we know how important that is. Really, it's important in your 20s too, but if you're in your 30s and you're just starting, it might be too late. But go ahead and start. Next, we have the Transluce. Is that how you pronounce it? Transluce Play Your Dreams Duo Highlighter. Okay, so we putting highlighter on too. We doing everything but foundation today. I love the blue packaging. I don't know why. I love color. Oh, this one lifts up. Oh, this one is like a cream. Oh, that's cool. This one is like a cream, and this is a shimmer to go on top. So it comes with a cream and a sugar and a shimmer. Super cute, right? Okay, we're gonna try. This look like it's gonna be a little ashy on me, but we're gonna try the shimmer. Oh no, that's fine. I'm only gonna put a little bit, y'all, because I wasn't planning on putting on any makeup at all. That's quite nice, actually. That's quite nice. It could be pretty subtle. I like it. I guess I could have did the cream one too because I don't have on any powder products. Look at this. When I did all that for a lip liner, and I have them right here, it's the Lovecraft Beauty Dark and Dimensional Dual Lip Liner. But we don't know what shade it is. We don't know if it's brown girl friendly or not. Let's see. Oh, this is a liquid liner. It's a liquid liner, not a lip liner. I misspoke. And so it has a thinner side over here. And then it has a thicker side over here. I don't know what the purposes of the two sides are. Maybe I should read it. Reading is fundamental. It doesn't say. Dual tip. It's dual tip. It's just so that you have options. Okay, we all have options. We all have options. Next, we have the Pineapple and Coconut. Oh, this is by Style Dry. It's the Pineapple Coconut Prep and Prime Polishing Primer. What do you do with this? Oh, it's for your hair. I'm gonna be frank. I am black, so I won't be putting this on my hair, but okay. How do you prep and prime? Okay, let me read the instructions. Apply to wet or dry hair. Place a small amount into the palm of your hands and then rub hands through. Gently works into your hair and scalp. Make sure to show extra love to the hair ends. So this is like a conditioner because you leave it in. Some type of leave-in conditioner that preps and primes your hair for something. I don't know what. I don't know what is prepping and priming your hair for, but okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger. We're gonna see. I'm just trying stuff out here today. It smells kind of like shampoo. Okay. So that is everything I got in the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, the base box for the month. Here are the items. Boom, boom. so far so good. I think that box is worth it too. It's like $27.99 plus tax. And now, what you've all been waiting for. I have been so excited to see the new Icon Box. I just don't know how they were going to change it up, whether the items still going to be worth it, whether they're going to be repeats. You just didn't know. So let's see what we got in the big boy. This is the big dog right here. Okay, Brittany, why do I have to be like that, y'all? Just pray for your girl. Y'all know I be all over the place. And now I'm just making a whole bunch of noise in the middle of my video. So boom, straight out of the box, we got a big dog. I own this palette already, so I will be giving this away to someone. But I do enjoy it. It's the ABH Primrose palette for face and eyes. So it has like some eyeshadows and a few blushes in it. And I love ABH formula. It's one of my favorites. I know that there's controversy. Oh no! It's cracked, you guys. And that sucks. It's so pretty. Ipsy Boxy by Ipsy. I got this in PR and I can't even complain because I didn't pay. Typically, if they send you something that's damaged, you can let them know and they will resend something else. I love this palette, like I said. I already own it. But this one did come cracked, so I'll probably end up giving this to my sister or somebody instead of saving it for a giveaway. I'll probably end up giving it to my sister or somebody for a giveaway since it came cracked. But this is a great find in the Icon Box. Great, great, great to have. Next, we have the Skin Ink Body Serum. I haven't tried this product, but I have tried a few of their products, and they are very nice. I'm going to take this off. Ooh, and it has that same scent that I feel like all of their products have, which is nice. It's not like too overpowering or anything. And it says that this velvety lightweight body serum melts into the skin to help lift, tone, and smooth appearance of uneven skin. Okay, for a visibly brighter and healthier glow. So it's antioxidant rich, caffeine stimulants, microcirculation to help tighten and firm. Okay, so if you want to firm anything up, baby, that's a good find. Next up, we have the ABH Cream Bronzer. I do like ABH. Their bronzers are not for me. This is Cream Bronzer in Caramel. So this is great find though. They do have a deeper shade. And this will work for me, I think. A little bit. Kinda, sorta. Okay. Okay. I love this in the Icon Box. This box is definitely worth it. I'm only on item number 3 and I can tell you right now. The value, definitely worth it. The price, the price there, yesterday's price, not today's price, okay? Definitely worth it. Every last dollar so far. Next up, we have the MAC Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. Ditch your false lashes. It claims to have lashes achieved over the top, exaggerated volume. It says it delivers root to tip curl. Okay, love the packaging. I don't have this, but I've seen it like all over the internet. This is the applicator. I guess I don't have a mascara, so we can try this too. Y'all know I'm not a mascara girly. Anytime, I'm gonna put on some fake lashes, okay? And this says that with this, you don't need fake lashes. So we'll do one and compare it to the other and see. I'm not about to do like 5 coats and stuff though. That's why I don't do mascara. I don't really have the patience for it. If I'm being quite honest. I really don't. I do like the applicator. I like small applicators. I like that one ended smaller because I just feel like it's really easier to get in between there and separate the lashes. Can y'all see a difference? That's one coat. Can we see a difference? I don't know if it's curling them. I feel like I would need to. It says 94% would see curl from root to tip. I don't know. I think I would need to use a lash curler first. But I do, and now not me trying to put it like this to curl it at the top. I do like it though. I cannot tell if it made much difference. You let me know in the comments below. I'm not even gonna do the other eye. Let me know if you see a difference in the eyelashes. Again, I would put on falsies no matter what. I'm sure if I did like 3 or 4 coats, then it would probably make a difference, but I'm not that girl. Next up, we got the JLo Beauty That Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. This is what it looks like. It looks luxe. I don't own anything from JLo Beauty, so this will be interesting. I don't like the smell though. What do you do with this? It doesn't come with a box or anything. I guess it's just like a moisturizer. It doesn't come with a box. I just pulled the little thing off the bottom. And this just has the instructions. Yeah, use in the morning and night as needed. It's just it's a hydrator. It's a moisturizer, you guys. But the packaging is pretty cute. Nothing spectacular about it, and I do not like the smell. Next up, I don't know what's in this. Okay. Okay. It says redo it. Read it? Okay, I don't know how to spell it. And I don't know what this is. I don't know. I also don't know how to open it. What is, okay, I'm gonna have to Google this. Hold. Okay. I'm a little flabbergasted by this. I'm not gonna lie. So this is some type of device that does not replace your skincare routine. I'm confused, y'all. Okay, let me just open it and go from there. Oh, when I open it, there's more info. It's a device? Okay. First things first, register your warranty via redo it. Oh my gosh. That's some type of device that you use with skincare. Oh, so you put your cream and stuff in it and it helps you apply it with the light. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into this. If you know anything about this, let me know down below. Let me turn it off. Oh, it vibrates. Oh, that's how it helps with skincare. There's different settings and it like massages your skincare into your face. Got it. That's what it means. It helps with skincare. Okay. Very interesting concept. How much does that cost? It supercharges your skin. It's a smart skincare device that amplifies your favorite skincare products, maximizing the effects of the active ingredients. So basically, it just massages the stuff into your face because your hands don't do that as well. Anyway, it says it retails for 179 euros. Yeah, don't know about that. I be massaging with my hands. You let me know what you think in the comments. I definitely don't know about 179 euros. No. Okay. Last up, we have some Alamar Cosmetics brushes. They look like they're eye brushes. I really do appreciate the cards that the Boxy stuff used to come with. So it says it's a packing brush, a linking brush, and a blending brush. So just a set of 3 eyeshadow brushes from Alamar Cosmetics. I really appreciate everything in this Icon box. I think it was definitely a more luxe box. The JLo Beauty thing and this boost thing, this face massager, they could have kept that. Otherwise, I think it was a pretty good box. Do let me know what you think down below. What did you get in your boxes this month? Your glam bag, your Icon box, your base box. Like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the bell notification, and I'll see you on the next one, friend. Peace.
Degrees way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight?